You can have the best tool in the world, but if you don't use it properly, it really is like a bad tool and it's not being used at all. And therefore, people think, oh, I don't like this tool. It's not working for me. I see I'm not getting leads or I'm not getting sales or I'm not closing my sales. If you're not closing your sales properly, it could be a bunch of things. One could be that you're not reaching out to the person and telling that person, we're going through these steps, you know, here's more information in case you need more information. And by the way, this is the more communication and transparency you can have with the person along the way, the less confused they're going to be. And the more they're going to know about it, they become more knowledgeable about it and they realize, oh, what's going on here? Because when you're talking with leads, one of the emails could be, let me tell you about a success story that my current client had. Now that person can think, oh, I had the same issue that this person had. If he helped him or her, they can, he can also help me. So again, it's another thing that you can add along the way. So because a lot of people, especially through the sales process, are thinking, I don't know if I want to do this. I don't want to do this. So what you do is you just give them a little bit more information in a way that isn't just overbearing, but it's like, look, here are the things you can look at your own time. If there's anything I can do to help you, let me know. You know, if you'd like to book another appointment with me, here's the link. All that stuff can be done automatically so that you're not, the business owner isn't getting, oh, I got to get back to person X. Or, oh no, how many people are waiting for a proposal? Oh, wait a minute, that person hasn't got back to me. Have it done automatically. So if you do send out a proposal, maybe 2 days later, an email goes out automatically saying, how's the proposal coming? Is there anything I can do? If you have any question on some of these areas that we talked about, here's more information. All right. And that way the person is looking at it saying, oh, yeah, you know what? I think I do need to talk to Dennis on this one point. Oh, wait, I didn't understand that. I thought he meant this. Oh, this clears it up a lot better. Instead of you constantly being on the phone and emailing tag, you have that all set up. Again, all of these things that I'm saying is part of a system. You want these set up, but you want them set up properly. And that's where I come in, that I can help you set up.